A brief explanation of sleep. Sleep is a natural state of rest and rejuvenation for the body and mind. It is a vital part of our daily routine, playing a crucial role in maintaining physical and mental health. During sleep, the body undergoes various processes that help to restore energy, repair tissues, and regulate hormones. The average adult requires 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night, although the exact amount may vary from person to person. Sleep can be divided into several stages, including light sleep, deep sleep, and rapid eye movement (REM) sleep. Each stage plays an important role in the overall process of sleep and helps to promote physical and mental well-being. Lack of sleep can have serious consequences, including decreased alertness, mood swings, and cognitive decline. It can also increase the risk of several health problems, such as heart disease, obesity, and depression. Therefore, it is important to prioritize sleep and establish a regular sleep schedule to ensure that we get enough rest. A healthy sleep environment can also greatly improve the quality of sleep. This includes a comfortable bed, cool room temperature, and minimal noise and light disturbance. By making sleep a priority and taking steps to create a favorable sleep environment, we can help to ensure that we get the rest we need to feel our best. For more brief explanations, like and subscribe.